Yes, this is a multi-billion dollar industry, actually. And a lot of it's not good information because you see a filter and you're like, oh, well, this fits in the hole that I have. But that doesn't necessarily mean that it's the right one. So the MERV rating on your filter means that it's going to capture smaller particulates, but it also means less air is going to flow through that filter. So the best filter in the world is a brick. Nothing's going through a brick wall. But neither is air. So you got to give a trade-off. So when you see these high MERV rated filters, if your system was not designed for them, they don't work that way. So what'll happen is the unit will start starving for air and it'll suck that dust and dirt right off that filter, and it's not doing what it said it was going to do. And you're burning more electricity trying to make the fan move the amount of air because it wants to move that air anyway. So getting the right filter, looking at for most homeowners, it's going to be like a 1-inch pleated filter that you can buy is going to be like the best way to go. But just make sure that the pleats are spread out a little bit, that they're not real tight together. The ones that are real tight together, they reduce airflow.
Gotcha. Okay.
We also have what we like to use. There's all kinds of different types of products, but our main one is the Remy Halo. What it does is it creates basically hydrogen peroxide. So every time the unit comes on, it's like pouring peroxide over everything that you own throughout the house, and it keeps everything clean. And it has an ionizer in it, which will actually allow your filter to do a better job.
Good to know. Okay. Should homeowners get their air ducts cleaned, and how often?